The Joy of DIY Crafts, Creative Projects for Children. Title: The Joy of DIY Crafts, Creative Projects for Children. Introduction: 100 words. DIY crafts are not just about creating something beautiful, they are also about fostering a sense of joy, imagination, and self-expression. When it comes to children, DIY crafts offer a multitude of benefits, ranging from enhancing creativity and developing fine motor skills to promoting problem-solving and boosting self-confidence. In this article, we will explore the world of DIY crafts for children, sharing a range of creative projects that will keep your little ones engaged and inspired. From arts and crafts to recycled materials, these activities will not only entertain but also cultivate a love for crafting. 1. Paper crafts, 250 words. One of the most accessible and versatile materials for DIY crafts is paper. Kids can create stunning masterpieces with just a few simple tools and materials. Some popular paper crafts for children include origami, paper collages, and paper mosaics. Origami involves the folding of paper to create various shapes and figures, such as animals, flowers, and balloons. It not only enhances fine motor skills but also boosts concentration and attention. To detail. Paper collages allow children to combine different paper cutouts to design unique compositions. They can experiment with textures, colors, and patterns to create beautiful artworks. Collages also encourage creativity and imagination as children envision and bring their ideas to life. Paper mosaics involve cutting colorful paper into small shapes and arranging them to form a larger picture. This activity helps children develop spatial awareness, visual perception, and problem-solving skills. They learn to observe patterns and use their logic to assemble the mosaic pieces. 2. Recycled crafts, 300 words. DIY crafts using recycled materials offer an excellent opportunity to teach children about sustainability and the importance of reducing waste. By repurposing old items, kids can transform discarded objects into new and exciting creations. For example, empty cardboard boxes can be turned into dollhouses, spaceships, or even mini gardens. Children can paint, decorate, and personalize these structures, sparking their imagination and storytelling abilities. Plastic bottles can be transformed into adorable planters, bird feeders, or even pencil organizers. Kids can learn about the importance of recycling while experimenting with different painting techniques. Case and designs. Another exciting recycled craft idea is creating musical instruments from household items. Empty tissue boxes can become drums, water bottles can be transformed into maracas, and rubber bands stretch around a plastic container can create a homemade guitar. Children can explore the world of music and rhythm while using their creativity to build these instruments. 3. Nature-inspired crafts, 300 words. Nature offers endless inspiration for DIY crafts, allowing children to connect with the environment while exploring their creativity. Incorporating natural materials into crafts can stimulate learning and encourage a sense of wonder. Leaf pressing is a popular craft activity that involves collecting various leaves, pressing them between heavy books, and using them for artwork. Children can create beautiful leaf collages or use pressed leaves to make bookmarks, greeting cards, or wall art. This activity promotes a deeper appreciation for nature while developing fine motor skills and creativity. Rock painting is another nature-inspired craft that encourages artistic expression. Kids can collect rocks of various shapes and sizes, paint them with vibrant colors, and transform them into ladybugs, turtles, or animals of their imagination. This craft allows children to explore their artistic abilities while strengthening hand-eye coordination. 4. Sewing crafts, 400 words. Sewing is a valuable skill that can be introduced to children through simple and fun DIY crafts. It not only teaches them patience and perseverance but also improves hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. A great sewing craft for beginners is creating stuffed animals or plush toys. Children can choose their favorite animal or character and use felt or fabric to cut out the shapes. They can then sew pieces together, stuff the toy with filling, and finish it off with buttons or embroidery for the eyes and other details. This activity allows kids to personalize their toy and develop their sewing skills at their own pace. Another sewing craft idea is making simple cloth bags or pouches. Children can learn basic stitches and use fabric scraps to create their own unique bags for storing small treasures like candies, or trinkets. This project not only enhances sewing abilities but also introduces concepts of measurement, pattern making, and design. 5. Science and technology crafts, 300 words. DIY crafts can also incorporate elements of science and technology, making learning more interactive and engaging for children. These projects encourage curiosity, critical thinking, and problem solving skills. One science-inspired DIY craft is creating lava lamps using simple materials like water, oil, food coloring, and effervescent tablets. Children can observe the reaction between the oil and water as L is the movement created by the tablets. This experiment introduces concepts of density, chemical reaction, and fluid dynamics in a playful and hands-on way. Another technology-focused craft is building basic circuits using conductive materials and batteries. Kids can assemble simple circuits to power small LED lights or mini fans. They learn about the flow of electricity, connections, and circuit continuity. This craft encourages experimentation and analytical thinking, laying the foundation for future STEM studies. 6. Creative writing crafts, 300 words. DIY crafts can extend beyond hands-on activities and also incorporate creative writing. These projects foster imagination, storytelling skills, and linguistic expression. One example is making homemade storybooks. Children can write and illustrate their own stories, binding them together with cardboard and yarn. This craft activity allows kids to develop their writing skills, explore their creativity, and share their stories with others. It can also be a wonderful keepsake to cherish and reflect on in the future. Another writing-focused craft is creating personalized greeting cards. Children can design and write messages for various occasions, such as birthdays, holidays, or thank you cards. By expressing themselves through words and drawings, they enhance their communication skills and emotional intelligence. This craft also encourages empathy as kids think about the recipient's feelings and tailor our messages accordingly. 7. Clay crafts, 400 words. Working with clay is a versatile and tactile DIY craft that allows children to explore their creativity in 3 dimensions. Clay crafts offer a range of possibilities, from sculpting figurines to eating functional pottery. One popular clay craft for children is hand-building small clay figurines or animals. Kids can mold and shape the clay using their hands or simple tools. They can make animals, people, or even creatures, pushing the boundaries of their imagination. This activity not only enhances their fine motor skills but also develops their spatial awareness and ability to visualize and create 3D dimensional forms.